Hi, my name is Megs, and I'm going to take you through a roundup of my favorite products from March. Let's get into it. We have here the Violet VOSS Fruit Sorbet Eyeshadow Palette, and I love this palette because we have a mix of some really fun colors here. We have some shimmers and some matte colors, so the looks are endless. So we have a mix of some edgy, bright, cool colors and some amazing shimmers. And I love this blue here. Look at the pigment there. I love that. Ooh, and look at this red right here. I love using red shades. Look at all this pigment. Ugh, I love it so much. And ooh, look at this green color right here. It's a beautiful shimmer color. Look how pretty that is. Perfect for springtime, right? Okay. And I'm a girl who loves her neutrals, but this palette is perfect to experiment and try new fun looks. Now onto my favorite product. This is the SERAPHINE Botanical Mimosa Mist Glass Skin Setting Spray. And this is the most important step when it comes to my makeup routine, is the setting spray. And I love this product because it has a really nice mist, making it, easy for me to melt my makeup. It smells amazing and it gives a nice dewy look. Glass skin finish, which is what I love the most too. And it's perfect for springtime, okay? We're looking for that ethereal, glass skin, beautiful, natural look. That's what we want. And I love a good lippy, and this LOM Mercier Petal Soft Lipstick Crayon is amazing. And this is in the shade Simone, and we love a good mascara, right? I know I do. And the Benefit Roller Lash is my favorite, it's your favorite, it's our favorite. And it's our favorite because it lifts and separates the lashes like no other. It's just the best. And the reason why it's the best, because we have this curved wand here, making it easy to apply and separating our lashes, just so we can give the look that we need to give. And we love a good mascara just for that. And I love a good fragrance, especially for the springtime. And this one here that I have that I've been loving so much is the 5 Scents Twin Flame fragrance, and it smells so good, you guys. So the notes are cucumber leaves, cardamom, osmanthus blossom, Indian sandalwood, and white musk. And what I love about this, it's not a roller ball, it's a spray, making it easy to use, and it smells amazing. Nice, fresh. It just reminds me of, having tea in the garden with your girlfriends, eating those cute cucumber sandwiches and having life talks with your bestie. And I love a good cleanser, and my favorite one right now is the ELEMIS Gentle Foaming Facial Wash Foaming Cream Cleanser. And when they say cream cleanser, it's a cream cleanser that's really nice and gentle on my skin. I love using this, especially after a long makeup wear day when I'm just outside ripping and running and I want to come home and just gently clean the day off. It leaves me feeling refreshed, and I love that it's a lightweight foam, especially for my skin. I love how it feels on my skin, making me feeling really soft and refreshed. And I love that it's not stripping for my sensitive skin, making my skin feel really soft and moisturized. So that is definitely not a worry of mine. Whenever I use this cleanser, I'm not gonna feel like my skin is screaming for moisture. It's really soft and gentle and making my skin feel like baby soft. And this year I've taken my self-care way more seriously because, we love ourselves, and we have to love on ourselves with the LOM Rescue Mask. And I love using this after I cleanse my face. I apply this, let it sit for 20 minutes, and boom, feeling fantastic all over. And it smells really nice too. And it really smells like a spa, giving me a spa-like experience right at home because I deserve and you deserve. And it hydrates your skin for up to 72 hours. It purifies the skin, leaving it feeling really nice and smooth. Perfect way to end a very long day, or just to chill out on the weekend and love on yourself a little bit more. So you can leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes and it feels really amazing. Has a really nice texture to it, and it's perfect for all skin types, especially if you're oily or have combination skin. And whenever I'm experiencing a little blemish, because it happens sometimes, I like to reach for the LOM Dynaspot. And I like using this after I cleanse my face and treat the spot directly with this product, allow it to dry, and then reapply as needed. And you can count on this when you need it because it's fast acting, effective, and it gets the job done. And you know, a skincare routine isn't complete without a really good serum. And I love this BYROE Celery Resurfacing Serum. And it's like a detoxifying green juice for your face. And it just gives you all the good stuff you need, you know? It's resurfacing, it decongests the skin, and you know, I need a little help with my pores, so it helps with that as well. And I just love this stuff, especially on those days where I need a little TLC for my skin, because it effectively decongests the skin for a luminous look that, you know, I need sometimes. And it puts that glow back when my skin is feeling a little dry and dull. You know what I mean? We have those days. And when those days hit, I grab this. It's a powerful but gentle exfoliating serum, and it's perfect for my sensitive skin, so I love that. Last but certainly not least, the MURAD Essential C Cleanser. So bomb, you guys. And this is really good for brightening stubborn dark spots that you may have and you want to give a little extra TLC to. And it washes away impurities and pollution, and you know, that's what we need sometimes. It's very nourishing and hydrating, leaving your skin feeling really soft and nice. It kind of like, when I use it, it feels like a hug. I feel like somebody hugged me on my face, like, oh wait, that's so soft and so nice. And that does it for my March favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below which products you want to try from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to IPSY's YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you guys later.